Hey creepy crafters, welcome back. In today's video I'm sharing 2 ideas for quick altar DIYs that you can include in your Happy Mail as fun little goodies. So I'm starting with some heat embossed little notebooks. Now I got these notebooks from Amazon. I have my Amazon storefront linked down below. That's the easiest way that I'm able to link all the products and stuff that I'm using this creepy crafty days as much as I can, because there are so many videos and they are so time consuming. There's like 31 of them. I don't have a ton of time to like individually link everything. So if you guys want to check out this storefront, you definitely can. Like I said, I will try to link everything down below. I'm using some Gold Ranger heat embossing powder as well as some Versamark embossing ink. That little star stamp is from, I believe, Studio L2E, and then the Your Fate is in Your Hands is from the Michael stamp set from last year that Serena so amazingly gifted to me when she came out to visit. So I love it. I'm trying to use it so much this holiday season. Holiday as in Halloween, of course. But isn't that so pretty? So I'm just going to keep doing that. I've got 4 little notebooks here. I won't show you the entire process for each one, like thoroughly, since I'm sure you guys know how to heat emboss. But it's super simple. You just put the heat embossing ink on your stamp. You press it down really well. I did open up my notebook so that I didn't have the give of the papers inside that might mess up my stamped image. Then you pour on the heat embossing powder, shake out the excess, run the heat tool over it until the powder melts, and kabammy, custom foil little notebooks. Aren't they super fun? So you can do it super simple, like the little Skelly guy that I just did. Or you can create your own pattern, which I'm doing with these Catherine Pooler stamps. I collaborated with her last year for Creepy Crafty Days, and I think this stamp set is super cute. It's all about witches, so I love these little witches shoes. They remind me of the Hocus Pocus Sanderson sisters shoes, so I think that's why I like them so much. Now, on this particular notebook, I kind of messed up. So with this little boot here, originally, I had put the stamp on the block backwards, so like the big flat sticky part was stuck out, and that was a stampy part. So you'll see here that kind of central lower area, that boot is a hot mess because I had like some residual like heat embossing ink still kind of sticky under there. I did try to heat set it a few times without anything on it just to kind of, I don't know, set it, but it didn't work. So we're gonna make it work, okay? And I left this one in so you guys could see that I have the crafty struggles too, and I gotta improvise and I've gotta make it work. So I tried to brush off as much of that mistake as I could, and I just stamped the sentiment Trick or Treat. I think it looks fine. It's a little bit messy, not ideal, but you know what? It's good enough. And it's fine, right? It's fine. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's crafting. It's supposed to be messy. I mean, we work with glue and loose powders and glitter that gets everywhere. It's okay. But this one, I'm using a really cute stamp set from Crate Paper that I was gifted this year. So thank you so much, Amber. I love it so much, and I am using it like crazy. I love it, love it. This little ghosty is one of my favorites on that stamp set. So I'm going to go ahead and brush off all the extra little, staticky bits, and voila, so shiny, so beautiful. I love it. It's so gorgeous. I had a little bit of gaps though with the stars, so I'm going to go back in, fill in those gaps, and here we go. Super shiny, super cute. You can decorate them however you want. You can coordinate them to your project. You can customize them for the recipient. Options are endless, so go buck wild and then go share it in the Facebook group, okay? All right. Project number 2, since these are kind of easy, quick little things, I thought I'd throw 2 in here for you guys. So I found this book at the thrift shop. It's like, I don't know, Halloween scary stories, one. So I just ripped out some of the pages. I'm going to wrap up some tarot cards in here. Now these are real tarot cards. If you receive some of them and you're not into that, feel free to pass them along. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I know not everybody's into it, but that'd be kind of fun because maybe people want to use it as ephemera or something, or tuck spots or journal cards or whatever. And I thought the zombies were really fun and kind of very on brand for Halloween, so I just wrapped them up in those book pages that I ripped out. They're very aged, so I didn't really have to do much, and then I used some twine. And then I got this little die from Lindley, so thank you so much, girl. I love this die from Lawn Fawn. It's new this year, and I'm so stoked to have it. So I used it with some black glitter paper for kind of a tone-on-tone look, glued it to the front of a little black bag that I found it Tuesday morning when I was there with Alice. Hey girl! And I'm just going to sew along the bottom, one to kind of help hold that little die cut in place, just in case, you never know, but then also to kind of bump up the cards inside of the bag because they kind of fell down too far and I wanted the twine to show with the bow. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these quick little ideas and give them a try, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.